Huh? Oh, I got you. Some dude came around with his fucking rental when I was holding the oddball there. He was like, okay, we're gonna push the other side.
Yeah, I want to go. I want to try and squeak around.
But the other side we're banded. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Are you already out? Oh, okay. I don't know. Oh, that hurt. You're my respawn every time.